Hey guys, this is Tech Heaven and I'm your tech guru. What's going on, everybody here? Today we'll see the top programming languages to learn in 2020. Programming language and computer coding have made life simpler for us. Whether it's automobile, bank, home appliances, or hospitals, every aspect of our life depends on codes. No wonder coding is one of the core skills required by most well paying jobs today. Coding skills are especially of value in the IT, data analytics, research, web designing, and engineering segments. So, which programming language will continue to be in demand in 2020 and beyond? How many languages should you know to pursue your dream career? We will attempt to answer these tricky questions in this video. The ever-growing list of programming language and protocols can make it tough for programmers and developers to pick any one language that's most suitable for their jobs or project at hand. Ideally, every programmer should have knowledge of a language that's close to the system. C, C++, or Go. A language that's object oriented, Java or Python. A functional programming language like Scala, or a powerful scripting language, Python or JavaScript. Whether you are aiming at joining a Fortune 500 firm or desire to pursue a work from home career in programming, it's important to know what's hot in the industries. Here are few programming languages we recommend for coders who want to make it big in 2020. Firstly, we have Python. Python is a multi-purpose programming language. Python is mostly used for web development and data analytics. With Python, data analytics becomes so easy that you can build a neural network or machine learning models without knowing the algorithms and mathematics behind it. Python comes with a huge set of libraries which makes complex tasks very easy. Python is the most common programming language among the beginners and advanced programmers because of its easy to read syntax. It is among one of the most popular programming language, which why it is on the list of top programming languages. Social media platforms like Instagram are built on Python. So Python will surely booms in 2020 and you must learn it. Okay. We'll see the reason to learn Python in 2020. Python is the easiest programming language to learn. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate programmer, it doesn't matter. Programming in Python will be a piece of cake for you. Even person with non-IT background can easily read the syntax of Python code and explain the working of it. That's the reason why Python is the most favorite programming language of majority of the programmers. There are many frameworks and libraries available for Python. This makes the programming language much easier as you don't have to create things from the scratch. You can directly call that particular library or frameworks which you want to use, by which the process of software development becomes fast and easy. There is a large community support for Python, so you will not face any lack of resources while learning Python. If you get stuck in any program, there will be thousands of solutions available for you. Python is heavily used in data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning as well. Python have a huge set of libraries or frameworks which makes data science, AI, and ML much easier. That's the reason Python is so popular among data scientists. Python is also most popular for web development. The second most popular programming language for 2020 is JavaScript. JavaScript is an omnipresent language in web. It is not only used in front end but also in the back end as well. Nowadays, JavaScript is heavily used in machine learning, application development, and game development as well. There are a number of libraries available in JavaScript which makes development very easy. The most popular code editor, Visual Studio Code, is built using JavaScript. Therefore, it is one of the most resourceful programming language you should learn in 2020. JavaScript is the omnipresent programming language in the internet. Every single website you see in the internet is using JavaScript. Even browsers are also built with JavaScript. That's why JavaScript is the standard programming language of web. There is an abundance of job available for JavaScript developers. When it comes for job opportunities, JavaScript is one of the most demanding programming languages. So If you are good with JavaScript, you will not face any job scarcity in the future. There is a huge community support for JavaScript, so you will get plenty of free online tutorials to learn JavaScript. JavaScript is a versatile or multi-purpose programming language. JavaScript is the programming language which can be used for mobile development, web development, big data, and machine learning as well. So if you know JavaScript, you can create applications for all those platforms. Regarding the salaries, the average salary of the JavaScript developers in United States is $113,000 per year. A third in my list is Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language. It is the language which is heavily used for Android development. Java is used for server-side scripting as well as for the applications or software development. Java is completely object-oriented programming language, so if you want to deep dive into object-oriented programming and nourish your skills, Java is the best for you. The reason to learn Java in 2020 is Java is a versatile programming language. It is the most popular language for Android development. So if you want to go into Android development, Java is a must. Java is also heavily used for web and desktop application development. Java is a multi-purpose programming language, so it depends on you for which platform you want to use it. Java has a great community support as well. There are a number of free resources available online. If you want to learn Java or debug your code in Java, Java is an API-rich programming language, so there will be abundance of APIs available for you. When you program in Java, this will make your programming journey much easier and faster. Java is one of the most demanding programming language. Java is used on all platforms, whether it is a mobile, desktop, or web. So the need of Java development automatically increases as most of the business or companies are using Java in their core technologies. Average salary of a Java developer in United States is $103,000 per year. The fourth in the list is C++. C++ is the first programming language we usually learn in our college days. If you are starting into programming and wants to build a strong fundamental in programming and computer science, then you should definitely go with C++ programming. C++ is one of the most popular and fast programming language. Therefore, it is widely used for gaming development, as a small delay in the game can ruin the whole gaming experience. It helps in making your basics and computer fundamental crystal clear. C++ are the programming language which will help you in becoming a better programmer for sure, as you will learn a lot about memory management, pointers, and object-oriented programming. So after you have learned C++, you will be able to learn any programming language. It increases your logic building ability more than any other language. It is comparatively difficult to learn C++ than other programming language, but once you learn it, the other programming language will becomes just a piece of cake for you. C++ has a great community support during your learning process. You will find lots of tutorials for C++ very easily. C++ is among the most efficient and fast programming language. As with C++, memory management becomes much easy. That is why most of the popular softwares and games are built with C++. Majority of the operating systems are built using C++, so if you know it, you will came to know much about operating systems and how it works. The average salary of a C++ developer in United States is $113,000 per year. Difficulty level is hard. Now comes to the fourth and the final pick for the top programming language of 2020 is Golang. Golang is one of the most modern and popular programming language nowadays. Golang is managed and maintained by Google. In some extent, Golang is even better as compared to Python, as Google have made it full of resources and easy to read syntax. In future, Google will use it in its majority of projects as well. The reason to learn Golang is the best known for its performance and efficiency. The performance of Golang is much easier and similar to CC++. So if you are if you are in search of a modern programming language with a high efficiency and high performance, Golang is for you. The syntax of Golang programming language is very easy. It is even easier than Python and JavaScript. So you can read, write and maintain your code easily. Golang is supported by Google. As Google is one of the most trusted tech companies, so you will not face any stability issue if you are using Golang. The average salary of Golang developer in United States is roughly around $130,000 per year. So now we concludes. Again, the importance of programming language completely depends upon you. For the purpose you are using it. For example, if you want to do web development, then JavaScript will be the more appropriate for you instead of going with C or C++. So firstly, choose the technology which best suits you, then choose your programming language wisely. Hope you liked the list of top programming languages. If you did, don't forget to share your views in the comment section below and share it with your friends who should know this. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.